It is 6:45 already.
The kids are still asleep, David. Our train leaves at 9:15.
We must pack the bags fast.
Where are my blue socks, Mom?
They are on your bed, Leo. You cannot bring them all.
I will pick only 3. I am looking for
Bears. There are no bears here, Mia. See anything interesting out there?
Wow, I see a deer over there.
A deer? That's wonderful, sweetie.
Cool. Can we go see it?
Great idea. Let's go explore.
Honey, are we going to make it?
The GPS says we're almost there.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Pikachu.
My phone is dying, Sarah.
I printed the tickets early. The station is very busy.
Keep the kids close to us. All right, everyone, the train's here. Ready for some winter fun?
Yes, I can't wait to see the snow-covered mountains.
Yay, let's go. I hope we see reindeer.
We are moving now, kids.
Look at the Bafel Hills.
Wow, look at all that snow.
It's so pretty.
It really is magical, isn't it?
Look, more trees.
We're gonna have so much fun.
Yay! Will we have a campfire?
With lots of marshmallows, Leo. Look, a frozen river.
This is the best trip ever.
With the best company. I call the window seat.
I want to see the snow.
All right, kids, settle down.
You can both share the window.
Wake me up for the mountains.
Rest now, little bear.
The lake is so huge, Dad.
Wow, look at the mountains.
It's incredible, so beautiful.
Can we walk on the ice?
Let's walk along the bank for now. This fresh snow is so peaceful,
It really is.
and the light is magical.
Look, the snowflakes are dancing.
Yeah, and
They sparkle.
What a beautiful day for a walk.
it really is. Look at the snow.
It's so sparkly. Wow, a snow fort.
We'll build one right after this.
Sounds perfect.
Close your eyes and listen.
I hear the cold wind.
Whoa, look! Ants!
Oh, you're right. So many.
They must be very cold.
Wow, so cool.
Oops, they ran.
Let's not disturb them.
This is magical.
The ants are busy work.
They are strong and fast.
working.
Look at this brave flower.
It is so beautiful.
The first flower of spring.
Wow! Isn't that tiny?
It's delicate. Just look for now. This means spring is almost here.
Yay, no more snow!
It looks like a movie house.
I want to go inside. The ants are busy working.
They are strong and fast.
I am happy tired now.
No rushing for a while.